Hindi konektado ang pagkasira ng coral sa West Philippine Sea sa pagkabuo ng mga tsunami ayon sa Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology o PHIVOLCS. Sinabi ni PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Bacolcol sa pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Finance sa proposed budget ng DOST. Walang kinalaman ng coral destruction sa pagkabuo ng tsunami. At dahil nakalubog at nasa mababaw lang namang bahagi ang mga nasirang bahura, hindi rin malaki ang magiging epekto nito sa pagkontrol ng malalaking alon. Pakinggan po natin ang bahagi ng committee hearing.
Okay, definitely the destruction of corals nothing to do with generation of tsunamis kasi tsunamis are generated by, yes, that's right.
The corals prevent bigger waves.
Yes,
So if you
it may.
destroy the corals, the wave prevention, natural wave prevention being done by the corals will be diminished. Mas malakas yung alon.
Pero I think that hindi masyadong significant po yung magiging effect ng corals kasi nasa shallower, siguro yung mga bakawan natin would have more impact rather than the corals.